Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to jump right in and start off with the Dental White Gel by Dr. George's, and I'm taking these trays that I've actually received from my dentist's office, and I'm just going to be lining both the top and bottom of my trays. Then I'm going to be placing them in my mouth. Then I'm going to be setting my timer for 10 minutes. As you see, I sped up the process, so I'm just going to be taking these trays out. Then I'm going in with my Rembrandt Toothpaste, which can be found at CVS, Target, or Walmart. And I'm just going to be using that and putting my toothpaste on my toothbrush and just brushing my teeth like I usually would, getting all my teeth, even the back. And then there you have it. That was an easy way as to how I whiten my teeth. Please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.